Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of this, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I've got it back to the original shape if you didn't watch part 1. I'm going to try to like use the interactive fill tool on this in some way. So I'm going to cut a few lines away, and I'm going to cut more lines than I did. So like if I want this one to be going through here, I want it actually, I don't know what I'm going to do there. That actually probably has to go that way. So this was going to be under. So this is over. So this needs to be under. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just playing. So this one is over. So this one needs to be, that one's under. So it actually needs to be over. And that might work. Let's see what happens. Let's take the Smart Fill tool. Let's use a different color. Let's use blue. And see, we got that. We got that. We got that, and we got that. So we got 4 parts. So this is an experiment. Let's see if it works. I am going to take this one, and I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to add a little darkness to here, like it's going under. Now, if I remember right, this one is going under too. Let's move that out of the way. So yes. So when you're using the interactive fill tool, you can always go black on both ends and then bring that blue into the middle and maybe add another. We don't want so much black. That's a little bit much, but we can always expand it out. I just want a little bit of a shadow. So let's put another blue here. Bring this one in just a hair. Now in the curves, it might be a little bit harder. So we've got that one. Now on this one's going underneath it too. So this is going to be a little bit of a problem. Well, it's actually going underneath that. So that's going underneath both. Let's just try it and see what happens. You know, some people ask me sometime how I got pretty good at Corel. It's because I play. You never know what you're going to get unless you play. That doesn't look too bad. I would really like to have more black here. We could possibly quite break that apart, but I'm going to leave it like that. That's pretty good. Now this one is pretty much the same way. So I'm going to use the interactive fill tool and go like that and put black there. That's too much that away. Let's bring it around a little bit more. Let's bring it out. Maybe it'll put a little bit of darkness there. Now this is going underneath. Well, you know what? That one's really on top. So that might cause a little bit of a problem. Might have to figure out another way to do that. Let's just leave it like this and see what happens. Now we're going to grab that one. It's going to be pretty hard, but we can do both. So I'm going to put black on both ends, even though that one should be going underneath. We're going to put black on both ends, bring the blue in closer. I don't like that being so close. So we're going to do that, bring this down and bring this out, bring our blue back. If you ever have trouble with that transparency tool, I don't know how to tell you get rid of it. That's kind of a, never really had it right. Well, you know what? Let's just add another blue right there. And look at that. Now it's gone, so we can move it. Okay, let's just see what this looks like. Now, this should be grouped together, so I'll be able to move it away. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate and click on it and move it to the center of our indexing line. And it's not there. It's because it's all, let's try grouping it together. Because it was trying to do all of the parts. Must make sure I only have one copy there. You can always move stuff as long as you move it right back. Control D to make a duplicate. Move this down. We're not there yet. I always go off of it and come back. And there's several videos on how to do that. Now let's rotate it 90 degrees. You know, that's not going to look too bad. I'm not a, well, you know what? Really looks pretty good. Let's take away the indexing lines and let's put in a black box. It always makes it stand out better. Object order, back of page. See, I've got some little bitty lines there. What we can do is select it all and right click, no outline. Well, I didn't get that red line. Right click or left click. Right click your mouse. No. So it's a little bit dark in the middle. And you could do different colors. You know, this would be a great one to make a clone of. Let's just do that. I'm going to have to get rid of my black box so I can see my indexing lines. And let's take this, make sure it's grouped together, and it is. Let's go up to edit and clone it. And then click on the rotation. I could use my new hotkey, but I am alternate C because it works every time. Rotate it 90 degrees. And if you don't know what control C is, email me or question my video and leave me a question and I'll give you the video that where I did that macro that Roy Brewer helped me. Now, because this is a clone, you know what? This might not work because we're going to have to ungroup it. You know what? We can try the smart filter. Look at that. We've got all of them. So we could take that one back and look what it's doing to all of them. So we could maybe bring a little much blue into here. Too much. That looks pretty good. It looks like they're interlocked. Take away the indexing lines. It actually looks like it looks perfect, like it's folded into that. Anyway, have fun, play around. Thank you for watching.